broni mobon body afem ewrade enunti na tara one media wow sompa kumasi sompa nyane sompa grants afie bia yede sompa ebrem na yankwa yejimi esanse baako fonsa entimi nkate ewrade ye to who afre obi bia se sompa at 2024 ebaso live December bosome lida etos dunkru eye daya wada ye bebo jatrada ewo sompa kumasi swame enroom hotel opposite heya na fei ekonafo no dia modi betum ye dia ma wo me saint wo ontuma wo emu wo anwa wo betimi dia brain ewo sompa kumasi swame wo sunyane so wo betimi dia akosompa sunyane night market ho enkransa so wo betimi dia akosompa nkransa Ghana Commercial Bank building no mu ho na se wo kresika na wo pesa wo di bedi dwumadi e bia number wo di sika ne betu so 0598559802 Edia beba ne Pleasant Foster anatara one media
some father am here when you so much if you say you mo here she say be see ja
who said you made him na propose prempa obodu ponkom onyame anadoye doso wode beye bambo ama woni wabusua sompa achede 2024 enyanka ene ekrafo ne so omobedidi
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no wo nurse na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyansam ketua Womuji international awards agodo womuji local awards agodo na anu nso na womu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby ya gise 21st clinic nkwa womuji bibiduro and the person we no san the machine aka ho eya yarsabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama de ba ko wo magidi wo mu pa no eya sciatica and stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540311311 0540311311 that's a 21st clinic woman is sciatica expert.
Rise and shine with Yazz toothpaste and Yazz toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yazz toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yazz toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yazz toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yazz toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yazz toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yazz toothpaste and Yazz toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yazz toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken BBC is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiago.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me and Anna maybe say I cry so quick, bro.
Kwaku, afraid of a meko. Min crata cranny.
Hey, and me connection man for them go for secret and when you're telling them Musan.
Oh, Express Group had Darumenti. I quit to I 4. Up a so to Quanco Siandia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit and so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. One person to Quanco Ye Jumanso, or bets me do Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Akwa Kumasi as a labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Canadian First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Police Station. From more Macho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no? Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. Not so evident to know it.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. Chef, I've been a day I'm walking. Ashford Princess and I'll broke you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear Naira so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive and now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush,
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro do me here than the beer Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, near Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures now co Faber Dasso. It's a phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. Do Suhuni.
Sompa FM.
Sompa. Let's get ready to. Sompa FM and TV and Marketiapa.
Sompa TV and Marketiapa.
I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready. I'm ready. This is my national flag.